If you're thinking about buying a new construction home in Southwest Florida, there is a lot to consider. But the good news is there are plenty of options. Builders have expanded their offerings over the last few years, and whether you're looking in Fort Myers, Cape Coral, or Naples, there are a range of floor plans, communities, and price points to choose from. One thing that's different about buying new construction is that you're not just buying a home, you're buying a process. You get to pick finishes, layouts, and sometimes even customize features to fit your lifestyle. That flexibility is a huge advantage, but it also means there are more decisions to make than just a normal resale home. Builders are also offering incentives to attract buyers in today's market. Some are offering rate buy downs, help with closing costs, upgraded features, all included in the same price. Understanding these incentives and how they affect your monthly payment can make a big difference in your budget. There are a few reasons buyers are gravitating towards new construction right now: modern design and energy efficiency. New homes are built to current building standards, which can save money on utilities and also reduce maintenance over time. Turnkey condition. Everything is brand new, so you don't have to worry about immediate repairs or renovations. Location and amenities. Builders often develop communities with pools, trails, clubhouses, giving you lifestyle perks that may not come with an older home. So these factors make construction a strong choice for buyers who want a home that feels fresh and ready to go. To make the process smoother, number one, you want to compare multiple communities, even within the same city. Builders' offerings, incentives, pricing can vary widely. Number two, understand the cost. Don't just look at the sticker price. Ask about the monthly HOA fee or CDD fees or other ongoing costs, as well as what's included in the upgrades. And number three, plan ahead. Construction timelines can vary, so knowing your financing and having your priorities clear will help you make more confident decisions. Working with someone familiar with the local market and the builders can save you time and ensure you get the best value. New construction in Southwest Florida gives buyers options and flexibility that are hard to find anywhere else. It's not about hype, it's about understanding your choices, the process, and how to take advantage of what the market offers today. If you want guidance on comparing communities, understanding the incentives, or planning your next move, my team and I are here to help. Reach out and let's find the new construction home that's right for you and your family. If you want more insight into buying, selling, or moving to Florida, make sure you like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss future videos.